We are arriving at the Waldorf Astoria Park City. This is one of my favorite entrances to a ski hotel. It is exactly what you picture. You've got fires going, you've got stone, you've got log beams. It is such a beautiful way to arrive when you're going to a ski resort. It was still decorated for Christmas when we went in early January, so you're going to see some of these decorations as we go in. I absolutely love this lobby area. It is not the grandest, most dramatic lobby, but I love the dark contrasted with the chandelier and the fire going in the background. I just think it's a really inviting space, and I enjoy checking in here year after year. I've probably been here 6 or 7 times now. This is Powder. This is the main restaurant at the hotel. This is where you can have breakfast, basically breakfast, lunch, dinner. That's going to be where you're going. They've got this fire going all the time. They do s'mores in the evening, which is a really nice treat for the kids after skiing. And I love this pool area. You've got the fire pit down here you can sit around. You can also cook your s'mores here if you don't want to sit inside. We had just gotten some fresh snow on this last trip, so we probably had, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow. So everything was covered. It was beautiful. Again, I really like this pool area. The pool's heated, so you don't want to sit in the cold. Sorry, you can see the fire back up there. There's another fireplace on the backside of the hotel. I'll take you for a tour around this pool area. You can see the steam coming off. It is probably 80 something degrees. So it's really nice. You can hop in after skiing. The kids love it. Great place to hang out. As we walk around here, you'll see there's a number of different places to sit. In the winter, you're probably not going to be sitting around. You're either going to be in the pool or in one of the hot tubs. Kind of scrolling around so you can see there's tons of rooms that overlook the pool area, which are some of my favorite rooms. It's just a really nice view. You've got, I consider this the family hot tub, so kids are allowed. It's jetted. They're not on right now, but there's a little knob right there you can turn. You can hang out here. Again, like I said, I really like this pool area. This sauna up here is a new addition this year. So this was really nice. They did not have this on any previous trip. So again, after skiing, spend some time in the hot tub, jump in the pool, jump in the snow, hit the sauna. Just a really nice pool area to relax in. Whoop, 360. And also right here on the side of these buildings, there are fireplaces. And then in here, there's men's and women's restroom. And that's also where you get the towels in the winter. So you walk into the restrooms and there's towels on each side that you can grab. Walking around here, this is the adults only hot tub. So if you're there, you want to get away from the kids, this is the place to go. So you can see adults only, please. This is super early in the morning, so these fireplaces next to the hot tubs were not on, but they're typically on during the day or in the evening. I want to say I was walking around here at like 3 or 4 in the morning to try and get you guys some nice videos with people in it. We are going to keep walking, and I am going to take you guys in on the ground floor. So it is a little confusing with the elevator. You come in on like the 3rd or 4th floor, and then you go down from there. This is probably like it's ground floor, but it's 1st or 2nd on the elevator. So again, a little confusing in the elevators, but you'll get the hang of it after a day or so. In here, we've got the fitness center. This room to the right is where they do some classes. There's a schedule of classes there. For the size of the fitness center, it's actually pretty well equipped. I mean, you've got ellipticals, you've got treadmills, got dumbbells that I think went up to 70 or 75 pounds, maybe. It's more than your typical hotel fitness center, so that was really nice. You've got a Smith machine, you've got a bike there, got some other machines. In here, you've got cable machines, which I really like this room. These are great. You can do all sorts of different exercises with them. I don't go in the spa, but that is like the back entrance to the spa. The main entrance is on the upper floor. In here, you've got, I believe this is a Pilates studio. I actually think there was someone in there working out when we were walking around here. Yeah, got the Pilates studio. And then I may have passed it. There's also a Peloton studio with a bunch of Peloton bikes. Down here is also where if you need rental equipment or rental gear, I'll walk past that in a minute. Obviously, it's not open. It's super early in the morning. But right up here, you'll be able to get your ski gear, so you don't have to leave the property to get rental equipment and stuff. We're going to walk up to the lobby rather than taking the elevator. Yeah, see, the main floor is the 5th floor, which is a little bit confusing. This is the main store. I actually really like the store. They sell quite a bit of name brand ski gear. So if you need, if you forget something, swimsuit, underlayer, gloves, hats, anything like that, you'll be able to grab it there. This is the boot room and ski valet. This is something I really love about this property and many ski properties. So you come in, you've got lockers, you can put your stuff in there. They'll have your boots, they're in the back. They've got them warm for you. They bring them out, put them on, and you go out. Same thing when you come back, they'll store your boots for you overnight. This is the main entrance to the spa here. This was remodeled maybe 2 or 3 years ago. They expanded it, made it way nicer. I can't really tour it because it's not open right now, but the spa is very, very nice here. You walk out the side door here, and straight across is where you access the gondola. So right there is the gondola. So you can walk over, just hop on, head up the mountain. And same thing at the end of the day, you'll just leave your skis there. The ski valet will come take them, bring them in, store them for you. And then the next day, when you wake up and go out there, they'll be waiting for you. This is on the canyon side. So if you're skiing canyon side, that's where they'll be waiting. If you do want to go over to, whether it's Deer Valley or the Park City side, they will keep your skis back, waiting for you that you can take them with you so you don't have to go fetch them by the gondola. Again, I just love how beautiful the grounds are of this property. You've got, like I said, you got the fire pits all over, you got the stone, you've got the beautiful dark wood. It is just exactly what I picture as a ski resort. So if you're in Park City, it's definitely worth checking out.